Most driving test failures happen because of road signs. So let's fix that in the next few minutes. Look at each sign, pause, and test yourself first. Let's start with regulatory signs. These are the rules you must follow. Can you guess this sign? Okay, this one is the no entry sign. You are not allowed to drive into this road at all. You will usually see this at the entrance of one-way streets or restricted areas. If you see this sign, you must not go past it. It is not allowed and can be dangerous. Okay, this one is the no motor vehicle sign. You are not allowed to drive any motor vehicle into this road, including cars and motorcycles. You may still see pedestrians or cyclists allowed in some cases. You will usually see this in pedestrian areas or restricted city centers. If you see this sign, you must not drive past it. Okay, this one is the no pedestrian sign. Pedestrians are not allowed to go past this point. You will usually see this on roads like motorways or areas where walking would be very dangerous. If you see this sign, you must not walk beyond it. Okay, this one is the no vehicles carrying explosives sign. Vehicles carrying explosives are not allowed to enter this road. You will usually see this near tunnels, bridges, or restricted industrial areas for safety reasons. Okay, this one is the no overtaking sign. You are not allowed to overtake other vehicles on this road. You will usually see this on narrow roads, bends, or places where overtaking would be dangerous. If you see this sign, you must stay in your lane and not pass other vehicles. Okay, this means priority must be given to traffic coming from the opposite direction. If the road or bridge is very narrow, you must wait and let oncoming vehicles pass first. You will usually see a give way line showing where you must stop and wait. If you see this, you must be patient and allow the other vehicle through first. Remember, narrow road means one side must give way. Okay, this one is the no U-turn sign. You are not allowed to turn your vehicle back in the opposite direction on this road. You will usually see this on busy roads, junctions, or places where turning around would be dangerous. If you see this sign, you must continue forward and find a safe place to turn later. Okay, this one is the no right turn sign. You are not allowed to turn right at this junction. You will usually see this at busy junctions where turning right could cause traffic problems or danger. If you see this sign, you must go straight or take another allowed direction instead. Okay, this one is the no left turn sign. You are not allowed to turn left at this junction. You will usually see this where turning left could cause danger or traffic problems. If you see this sign, you must continue straight or take another allowed route. Okay, this one is the proceed in direction indicated by the arrow sign. You must drive in the direction shown by the arrow. You will usually see this at junctions, road splits, or around obstacles where traffic must go a specific way. If you see this sign, you must follow the arrow direction and continue safely. Remember, blue circle means you must do something. Okay, this one is the turn left ahead sign. You must turn left at the junction ahead. You will usually see this before a junction where traffic is required to turn left for road control or safety reasons. If you see this sign, you cannot go straight or right. You must follow the left direction. Okay, this one means vehicles may pass on either side to reach the same destination. You can go either to the left or the right of the obstruction ahead, and both routes will take you to the same place. You will usually see this at traffic islands or roadworks where the road splits temporarily. If you see this sign, choose either side and continue safely. Okay, this one is the keep left sign. You must pass to the left of the sign or obstruction ahead. You will usually see this at traffic islands, roadworks, or where there is an obstruction in the middle of the road. If you see this sign, stay to the left and continue safely. Okay, this one is the mini roundabout sign. It means you are approaching a mini roundabout. You must give way to traffic coming from your immediate right before entering. You will usually see this at small junctions where traffic flows around a painted or raised central island. If it's clear, you can continue. If not, wait for vehicles from the right to pass first. Okay, this one is the one-way traffic sign. It means traffic can only travel in the direction shown by the arrow. You will usually see this at the entrance to one-way streets, especially in town and city centers. If you see this sign, do not turn into the road from the opposite direction. Great job! Now let's move on to warning signs. These are some of the most important signs for new drivers because they tell you about dangers ahead. Here's an easy way to remember them. If you see a triangle, slow down and pay attention. Triangles don't tell you what to do, they warn you about what's coming next. Let's see how many you can get right. This one is the traffic signals ahead sign. It means there are traffic lights coming up on the road ahead. You will usually see this where drivers might not expect signals, like fast roads or junctions. If you see this sign, slow down and be ready to stop at a red light. This one is the crossroads ahead warning sign. It means there is a junction ahead where roads cross each other. You will usually see this where traffic can come from multiple directions, so you must be extra careful. If you see this sign, slow down and be ready for vehicles coming from left, right, or straight ahead. This one is the traffic merges from the left warning sign. It means traffic from a side road or lane on the left will join your road ahead. You will usually see this where two streams of traffic are joining into one main road. If you see this sign, be ready for vehicles coming in from the left and adjust your speed or position safely. This one is the roundabout ahead warning sign. It means there is a roundabout coming up on the road ahead. You will usually see this on faster roads where drivers need advance warning before reaching the roundabout. If you see this sign, slow down, check traffic, and be ready to give way when you enter. This one is the bend to the right warning sign. It means the road ahead curves to the right. You will usually see this where the road is not straight and drivers need to slow down and prepare for a turn. If you see this sign, reduce your speed and steer smoothly to the right. This one is the road narrows on both sides warning sign. It means the road ahead becomes narrower from both sides. You will usually see this where the road space reduces, like bridges, roadworks, or older narrow streets. If you see this sign, slow down and be prepared for less space and possible oncoming traffic problems. This one is the two-way traffic ahead warning sign. It means the road ahead has traffic moving in both directions. You will usually see this when a one-way road is ending or where a normal two-way road begins. If you see this sign, be extra careful because vehicles may be coming towards you on the opposite side. This one is the two-way traffic on route crossing ahead warning sign. It means there is a crossing road ahead where traffic from another route will be moving in both directions. You will usually see this where another road joins or crosses your road and traffic can come from both sides. If you see this sign, slow down and be ready for vehicles entering from multiple directions. This one is the steep hill downwards warning sign. It means there is a steep downhill slope ahead. The gradient may be shown, like 10% or 110, which means for every 10 meters forward, the road drops 1 meter. If you see this sign, slow down and be ready to use lower gears to control your speed. This one is the quayside or river bank warning sign. It means you are approaching a river, canal, or quayside where there is a risk of the road ending near water. You will usually see this near docks, ferry areas, or waterfront roads. If you see this sign, slow down and be extra careful near the edge of the road. This one is the tunnel ahead warning sign. It means there is a tunnel coming up on the road. You will usually see this on highways or fast roads where drivers need to prepare before entering a tunnel. If you see this sign, slow down, turn on headlights, and be ready for reduced visibility. This one is the slippery road warning sign. It means the road surface ahead may be slippery, especially in wet, icy, or frosty conditions. You will usually see this in areas where accidents are more likely in bad weather or on sharp bends. If you see this sign, slow down, avoid sudden braking, and drive smoothly. This one is the risk of falling or fallen rocks warning sign. It means rocks may fall onto the road ahead, or rocks may already be on the road surface. You will usually see this in hilly or mountainous areas where there are cliffs or unstable rock faces. If you see this sign, slow down, keep distance, and be alert for debris on the road. This one is the traffic cues likely ahead warning sign. It means there may be slow-moving or stopped traffic ahead. You will usually see this on busy roads, near junctions, or where congestion often builds up. If you see this sign, slow down, stay alert, and be ready to stop suddenly if traffic is heavy. This one is the risk of ice or snowdrifts warning sign. It means the road ahead may be covered in ice or heavy snowdrifts, making driving dangerous. You will usually see this in cold weather areas, especially during winter or in exposed rural roads. If you see this sign, slow down, avoid sudden movements, and increase your stopping distance. This one is the zebra or parallel crossing ahead warning sign. It means there is a pedestrian crossing ahead, either a zebra crossing or a parallel crossing. You will usually see this on roads where pedestrians frequently cross, such as near shops, schools, or busy streets. If you see this sign, slow down and be ready to stop for people crossing. This one is the wild animals warning sign. It means wild animals may be crossing or near the road ahead. You will usually see this in rural areas, forests, or countryside roads where animals like deer may suddenly appear. If you see this sign, slow down, stay alert, and be ready to stop quickly if an animal appears.